Today I'm working in the rose garden, and I purchased some of this weed barrier fabric, and it's 100 yards. And so what I decided to do is choose one of the beds to work on. And this bed that I started with was already partially weeded, and I came through and then weeded and cleared dirt around each one of the rose bushes so that I can go ahead and start spreading this material down. There's 100 yards of it, and so I dug around the edges so that I can get the material underneath. And then after I spread this out, then I have some wood chips that I'll be able to spread on top of it, and then hopefully it'll look pretty good, and it'll stay that way for a while.